So I'm on the island of Cyprus in the Mediterranean. I've never been here before. I've got a few hours before I go back to the airport to go to Crete, Greece. And so far I think it's pretty cool here. I didn't have time to go on vacation everywhere, so this wasn't where my destination was, but I still get to see it for a few hours and I'm happy about that. I've got my backpack and I'm hoofing it. This is a European nation. We're on the euro here, so it's expensive to take cabs around. I don't really have any particular place I need to go, so I'm just gonna walk until I get back to take the bus to the airport. The air here is fragrant with cypress and olive and figs. I looked up the weather today. It's 89 degrees Fahrenheit. We're still in the midst of that historic heat wave that's been going on in Europe. It'll go down as the heat wave of Europe of 2026. So 89 degrees Celsius is like, I don't know, maybe around 30. 89 Fahrenheit is around 30 Celsius, I think. I like all this cool old architecture. The language looks similar to Greek. I don't actually know what the language is. Forgive me, I'm a little ignorant about this. It's not unusual for me to go to a country and then kind of learn about it afterwards, other than the safety aspects of it, which I learned beforehand. Beautiful bougainvillea seems to be growing everywhere here. Papa Filippo ice cream. I'll have to check that out. Anyways, put it in the comments. What do you think of Cyprus so far?